Inside, and I won't overemphasize this, aloud simply say the M760Li X-Drive is wonderfully selected, a praiseworthy articulation of European plan in wood, metal, calfskin and texture. Front seat tenants are dealt with to brilliant craftsmanship and the most satisfying of surfaces. The driver gets an electronic check bunch, strong head-up show and uncomplicated controls that oversee advanced vehicle frameworks. Wi-Fi keeps everybody associated. I will specify that the auto highlights motion control, whereby the driver can actuate correspondences and diversion works by the flood of a hand or the purpose of a finger. In 4-situate setup, raising habitants persuade what give off an impression of being two substantial basin seats, one of which, the captain seat, reconfigures itself and the seat in front keeping in mind the end goal to supply a lean-back position with hoisted ottomans, a work area and surfaces for your workstation and compartments for your drinks. Watching the front situate head restriction obviously bow in relevance as the whole seat makes itself rare as a comment. It's not standard gear, mind you, requiring an additional $10,000 for the Executive Lounge Tier 2 package, in which it is highlighted. At this cost you additionally get the 4-situate design, need, ventilation, raise stimulation and BMW Touch command by means of a removable Samsung tablet. The outside, our vehicles were done in frozen a dark brown, one of a group of solidified hues and complete accessible at included cost, is pleasant and well sufficiently known. However, out and about the M760Li X-Drive essentially mixes in its effectively preservationist lines, not requiring assistance from a matte paint job. The 20-inch wheels do give a glimmer of character, and the nearness of V12 particular aluminum improvements in the front and back fascia imply this is an extraordinary model. Be that as it may, sort of stealth extravagance, I thought. A bit excessively stealth, maybe. Notwithstanding its startling off-the-line execution and uncanny taking care of and braking capacities, the M760Li X-Drive is honestly not a M7. It is, as one BMW rep concurred, M-Light. This clarifies why on open streets in regular driving, even in sport mode on twisty mountain streets around Palm Springs, the Auto for me was to a lesser extent a game machine than anticipated. The thunder inferred by the BMW squeeze materials is a greater amount of a forceful murmur, and in spite of all the